This is a video file about proposing more than one style for a web page. If you are a web developer or you have simply your website and you would like to propose more than one style sheet for your site, this is video for you. So I had some problems finding possibility how to change a web style sheet in some browsers. So it's not really obvious how to do it. And in this short presentation, I will simply try to offer a possibility of doing that. This is one part of HTML file, and in the head part of that file, on line 5, I insert one style sheet. So what is important in this line is that I give an ID attribute with value to this style sheet. And I have in HTML comments on line 6 and 7 two alternate style sheets that I will simply not use in this file, but this is the way how you can put alternate style sheets into your HTML file, although what I will present here will be some other solution. And in body part of this file, on line 11 to 13, I have three buttons with on click event and with a short code of document object model, where I use ID value of ID attribute of this style sheet, and I change the value of hyperreference attribute of the style sheet. So hyperreference is the name of style sheet, and by clicking the button I simply change its value. So this code proposes three different style sheets: blue, violet and orange. Now let's see what it gives in the browser. So here this is the orange one. Let's see what blue presentation gives of same HTML content. And the violet one. So as you can see, as a visitor you can simply click on those three buttons and to choose a web presentation, the style that you simply find the most convenient. Thank you for watching.